Yeah. We're over here at 211 Southeast 72nd. And well, what we're doing is on. But obviously, what's happened here is, let's see here. What's happened here is we got the, we took a little bit of that board off because obviously there's some rot in there, as you can see. So we're gonna get that rot. Dion here, he's coming up with an idea to give it, I don't know, he called it a poor man's jack. Is that what you called it?
Yeah.
Yeah, how's that work, Dion? You're on camera, by the way.
Oh, you just put two boards together and then cut 1.5 inch longer.
Uh-huh.
So that when you tip it up,
yeah,
it lifts it that 1/2 inch.
Okay, we're gonna get that to work today. So that's kind of cool what's going on. Here's Dave, my cameraman, and what we're gonna do today, oh Scott, we're gonna get this roof off today, guys. That's what's gonna happen. We're gonna take that roof off the shed, and then we're gonna get this up in the air. We're gonna get some shots. Okay.
Oh,
hell yeah.
it's way off. We redo it.
No, that's fucking.
I love it. Nice. Nice.
Hell yeah.
Hell no.
Let's go.
We got the clap.
Hey, Mr. Spot.
Or two. It's okay.
John, I like this.
Come on in here.
God, this is freaking cool, man.
That gimbal stick is
This
cool,
is
man.
freaking super cool, man.
Here you go. And hold them together.
So action jam there.
These guys are getting after it, man. On a Saturday.
Damn.
You don't even.
We want to put some screws in these in the middle too. Double support. I'm reaching out as far as I can in the outreach program here.
It's gonna be a strong rip, though. Got Yellow Jackets nested around here somewhere.
Huh?
Yellow Jackets.
No, this is just something to use.
Yeah, looking for something to eat. They bite me and have to lick their ass to get the taste out of their mouth. Yeah, John, I like this a whole bunch, man.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, this thing is great.
What we got here, Scott?
Yeah,
16.
and
I know, right? That's right. Okay.
Fix-A-Fence here on the gimbal stick again. Pretty cool little device. But hey, remember I was talking to you a little bit about this roof shed repair, you know, and my goodness, it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad. But you know what? We saved it. Check this out here. So remember I was telling you a little bit about that rot we had down there. So Dion, you know, he took and what he did was he raised this roof up a little bit, right? And we were able to come up with a device, a homemade 2x4 device that lifted up the walls, you know, and he was able to put the 2x4s in there and jack it up to replace that little piece of wood, 2x4 up under there, and then we got all this on here too, you know. And so and then, you know, of course, you know, as you can tell, we got a roof up on there, you know, and that in of itself is a big accomplishment. My goodness, I don't know if I can get up there to show you or not, but probably not, you know, probably not. Anyway, yeah, hopefully with the this gimbal stick is kind of fun, but hopefully with the there we are. Hopefully with the videos that we got from the other content, you'll be able to see what exactly we did with this little roof. I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, obviously you guys already know, but it was just fun, you know. I mean, hey, you know, I got the drone going, you know, and now the gimbal stick adds to the little fun of the fence channel, you know. And so but anyway, hey, you guys out there, you know, if you're watching this stuff, you know, I mean, I really don't know what else to do as far as for the fence channel. I mean, my goodness. But, you know, hey, I got the guitar going, you know, that's kind of cool. You know, got a guitar Zoom cup from the place I signed up to learn guitar, how to play guitar a little bit better. So, and it's helping, you know, it really is helping, you know, as long as you sit down there and listen and learn, just take my time. And, yeah, it's pretty cool. But anyway, hey, we got this roof on here, you know, add a little bit more content to that. And then the drone, we're going to come up with a format to make this work, you know, come up, you know, I know people are allowing me to get out there, you know, but I got this one coming up he said he wants me to do, and we got these, oh, so yeah, we got these little brackets here, and those brackets there in the dirt, what they are, you know, they're 6x6 plates, you know, and they'll hold the 2x4 up there, or the 4x4 up there, and we're able to go ahead and build a fence that way. So whoop, oh, what's going on here? What's going on? Come here, back at me. There we go. Okay, gimbal stick. Anyway, he's given me the permission to go ahead and put in a, you know, I mean, again, it's only about 2 feet by 2 feet, you know, with a 4-foot gate, but hey, it keeps the guys going, you know, and so that's what it's all about, right? Keeping the guys working, you know, here at Fix-A-Fence. I don't know about you, but, you know, I mean, hey, you know, I got 4 employees to take care of. Well, I had 5. Be nice to get another one. Soon I will, you know, but hopefully I'll get another truck, you know. 3 trucks, that'd be great, you know, but one step at a time, you know what I mean? It takes time to get these things. It took me, well, I opened the business back in 2009, so 2009, let's see, this is 21, so yeah, my goodness, I've been in business that long. But hey, you know what? Hey, check this out. This was pretty cool. I was watching a news segment the other day, right? And lo and behold, I see my fence sign on one of the news segments. That's huge. But anyway, you know, John at Fix-A-Fence, I just thought I'd come and let you know, hey, we put a new roof on there yesterday. You know? We put a new roof on that bad boy yesterday. Yeah, you can tell, yeah, it kind of looked like that, but you know what? Come on, guys. You see that 6 inches up there? My goodness, they built that. I mean, it was like lickety split. They just took the roof off. I mean, didn't even take the roof off. We just lifted it up, you know, 6 inches and added more height to it. Got a little bit more drainage, you know, a little bit more air to it. So that way when we start the generator up, you know, we really won't keep it in there, you know. Now we got more air in there, so circulation. But yeah, I start the generator up in there when we weld. That way it don't get wet, right? But anyway, hey, John at Fix-A-Fence again. You know, just coming to you again, so that way I can keep the fresh content coming on the YouTube channel. You know, I'm running out of things to say. You know, I got the cash advertising book that I've been doing, but my goodness, I've only seen videos on that. You know, people watching that for about what 30 views and stuff. So I'm wondering if that's even been a good taken. But I'm not going to stop. The next one I got is on bandwagon. You know, you got to jump on the bandwagon, right? If everybody's liking it, well, hey, I guess it's pretty good, right? You know, right? I mean, don't you want the biggest, baddest, you know, guy looking whatever to sell your stuff for you? You know, right? I mean, you know, who doesn't want Lance Armstrong selling their bicycle seats? Well, anyway, I'm John at Fix-A-Fence, and I'm not selling. Well, yeah, I guess I'm selling fences. You know what? I'm just trying to keep content on YouTube. I'm having fun at it. Okay, you guys have a great day.